In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best vacuum cleaners in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which vacuum cleaners is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Shark AV 2001 WD AI VacMop Robot. Strongly vacuums and also mops your floorings at the same time, while preventing carpets with in-app rug detection. Sonic mopping scrubs your floors at high speeds to break down messes. Amazing suction gets all types of dust as well as particles, and in ultra clean mode, you get 30% far better rug cleansing versus RV 1100 AE solitary pass coverage, checked with sand on degree loop. Select Ultra Clean setting in the Shark Clean application to target details rooms, high traffic areas, or areas for multi-directional deep cleaning protection. With powerful suction as well as Shark's self-cleaning brush roll, the robot gets pet dog hair as well as removes it from the brush roll as it cleans up. LiDAR innovation quickly as well as properly maps your home so you can establish cleansing locations and also no-go areas in the Shark Clean application. AI laser navigating makes sure overall residence insurance coverage with specific row-by-row cleaning, day or night, while identifying as well as staying clear of things 4 inches high or taller. Here is the item number 4. iRobot Braava Jet M6 6110 Robot. The Braava Jet M6 robot mops like you would. You can tell it where as well as when to clean up, as well as accuracy jet spray helps take on sticky messes and kitchen oil. Ideal for multiple rooms and bigger areas. Navigates around things and under furnishings. Cleans completed hard floorings consisting of wood, ceramic tile and rock. With Islam navigation, the M6 learns the layout of your house and constructs personal smart maps, enabling it to skillfully tidy and navigate in cool, reliable rows. If it's running low on battery, it charges and returns to cleaning. Coffee spill on the floor, canine track in mud, the M6 can target specific areas within your areas, like in front of the sofa or under a table, for very easy, hands-free mopping, with a demand to your voice assistant or by means of the application. With smart mapping, your robot knows your cooking area from your living room, so you can choose where it cleans up and when. With stay-out zones, your robot understands to prevent delicate areas like animal bowls or play areas. The Braava Jet M6 robot mop is smarter than ever, discovering where and when you generally clean and recommending customized routines, so you can concentrate on every little thing else. With imprint link innovation, the Braava Jet M6 robot mop and choose Roomba robotic vacuums team up to vacuum after that wipe immediately in excellent series. The item number 3, Oniture Q6 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Q6 robotic vacuum cleaner outfitted with a 2.8 L capability self-empty base, can instantly empty the dirt box. You do not need to clear the garbage after each cleaning. It will advise you when the dirt bag is full. Don't need to touch the dirt directly, just discard the dust bag once a month. 2700 PA powerful suction plus high torsion spindle brush, and also double side brushes, Q6 robotic vacuum cleaner can successfully grab pet hair, dirt, and also crumbles from the carpeting as well as a floor. The 5200 mAh high capability battery rises to 280 minutes of runtime. The high-precision laser navigating system permits Q6 robotic vacuum cleaner to scan your home and produce a precise map in real time, allowing it much more effective route planning and clean in bypassing challenges. It can auto-recharge and resume when in low battery. With an exterior water tank, it supports vacuuming and also mopping at the same time. There are 4 cleaning settings including automated cleaning, careful cleaning, spot cleaning, and also edge cleansing, exceptionally silent, working perfect for families with pet dogs as well as children. You can inspect the Q6 robotic fee state and also check the cleansing status, establish an editable location, and timetable a certain space to be cleaned up at different times and also on various days. Set no-go areas can quickly despite where you are. Number 2 in our list, Narwhal T10 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Draw out the pristine shine of your hard floors with this robot hoover. It mops up your hardwood floor surfaces, removing discolorations and damp areas in a split second. Conserve your hands from being available in contact with irritants or dust. This wiping robot vacuum occasionally goes back to its base station to clean its microfiber mops on its own. Twin side brushes sweep dust, hair, as well as particles straight into the vacuum port, all without causing the noise. HEPA 10 filter of the robot vacuum effectively traps dirt, fur, and also irritants. With its LiDAR sensor as well as Bang technology, the robot wipe as well as vacuum remembers your residence's format. You may check and also regulate your flooring cleaner's cleansing status via the Narwhal app. Keep your house clean without hurting the planet. Our mops can last as much as 3 months at a time, which is equal to around 90 non-reusable wiping pads. By utilizing our microfiber mops, you inevitably contribute less waste to landfills. The top one in our list, iRobot Roomba i3 Wi-Fi connected. A clean, unique 2 you take vacuuming off your mind with Roomba i3 Plus robotic vacuums, personalized cleaning ideas powered by the special knowledge of iRobot Genius that learns your practices and also your routines. Clean when you're away. Currently with iRobot Brilliant, you can choose to establish your robotic to begin cleaning when you leave and also stop when you get home, so you only see the clean, but never the cleaning. Cleans in neat rows. Smart, straight line navigation utilizes floor tracking sensing units to tidy actively and also logically in neat rows. When the i3 Plus needs to re-energize, it will certainly resume right where it left off, guaranteeing a complete tidy. 10x powerlifting suction, cleaning your house of persistent dirt and messes. The Roomba i3 Plus robotic vacuum cleaner draws in the debris with a costs 3-stage cleansing system and 10x the powerlifting suction. Concentrated cleaning. You canister depend on iRobot's patented dirt detect innovation enables the Roomba i3 Plus robot vacuum cleaner to spot dirtier locations of your residence and also clean them more thoroughly. Twin multi-surface rubber cleans. As opposed to making use of a solitary bristle brush, Roomba i3 Plus robotic vacuum cleaners deals with dual multi-surface rubber brushes that bend to adjust to different floor types and also stay clear of getting twisted with family pet hair. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best vacuum cleaners amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.